Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to discuss about the function of sympathetic and parasympathetic system. So one important note that you have to remember is, and you can also notice it in this figure, that most of the internal organs, they have dual innervation. By dual innervation I mean that they are supplied by both the systems, the parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system. Now the degree that both of this dual innervation controls that organ depends and varies from organ to organ. In some it is 50-50 and in some it could be 80-20. So it varies from organ to organ, and some systems or some organs, they just have only single innervation. An example of an organ that is only innervated by sympathetic system is the adrenal medulla. Sweat glands are also innervated by the sympathetic system only. And then we have the vessels, the blood vessels also. So starting with the function of sympathetic system, you can see in this figure the effector organs which are supplied by the sympathetic system. They are shown in red. So the main function of sympathetic system include the increase in heart rate and blood pressure, and it also helps in increasing the blood flow to the skeletal muscles and the heart, and diverts the flow of the blood from the skin towards the internal organs. When we look towards the effect of sympathetic system on the eye, it causes the contraction of the iris and ultimately it results in pupil dilation. And when we talk about the bronchial muscles, it causes the dilation of the bronchial muscles. Students, you have to remember that the sympathetic system is actually a system which represents fight or flight response. So students, this means that when the body experiences any fight or flight or emergency, as a response, the sympathetic system is activated and all the responses occurs as the result of the sympathetic system and the effect of this system on the organs that it supplies. Now on the other hand, we have parasympathetic system, and parasympathetic system is actually involved in maintaining the homeostasis within the body because it is very essential as it controls the digestion and elimination of waste. So sympathetic system is flight and fight and parasympathetic is rest and digest.